Friends, now let's start with our new chapter, chapter number 7, that is joint bar graph. Now, for that, first let's have a look on bar graph. First हम bar graph देखेंगे, उसमें क्या है? तो it's represent the production of wheat. किसका है ये? तो अजय का bar graph है. Second is bar graph representing wheat production of Vijay. दोनों में similarities क्या है? तो years are same, that is 2011, 12, 13 and 14, and the production is in quintal. The data is same, but both are represented in different bar graph. What suppose I have to compare both the production? I want to compare production of Vijay and Ajay both at the same time. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? तो दोनों बार ग्राफ को ज्वाइन करेंगे. And here comes the topic joint bar graph. Now let's see the steps for drawing joint bar graph. अब हम steps देखेंगे. Let's see. First step, step 1. So we will draw x-axis and y-axis on bar graph with their point of intersection as O. Then on the x-axis we will represent the data, and on the y-axis we will take scale. We have to represent the number of boys and girls in a classroom. On x-axis we will take classes, say 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard. The students are between 1 to 60. We will take scale 1 centimeter is equals to 10 student. Now इससे पहले तक हम जो बार ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते थे, that was two different ग्राफ, एक बॉयज के लिए होता था, एक गर्ल्स के लिए होता था. तो जब हमें कंपेयर करना होता था तब हमें two different ग्राफ कंपेयर करते थे. But now we have drawn this joint bar graph. So now we can easily compare the number of boys and number of girls in a class in a single graph paper. While drawing joint bar graph, we should consider these important points. Point number 1. In a joint bar graph, the width of all the columns should be equal. Number 2. The distance between any two consecutive sets of joint bar graph should be equal. Number 3. A joint bar graph is used for comparative study. Different kinds of graphs are histogram, line graph, pie chart. Now let's start with practice set number 31. First question है, the number of saplings planted by the school on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show this figure. The question is represented by this table. Using the data given, we will draw a joint bar graph. So step 1 is, we will draw the axis, x-axis and y-axis. The point of intersection is O. On x-axis, we will represent the names of sapling: almond, karanj, neem, ashok, gulmohar. Using scale, we will take 1 centimeter is equals to 10 plants. Now, we will represent the data of Nutan Vidyalay and Bharat Vidyalay. First, the data of almond 40, 42. Next, 60, 38. Next, for neem 72, 60. Next, 15, 25. Next, 42 and 40. we have completed our joint bar graph. The data represents the number of plants planted by Nutan Vidyalay and Bharat Vidyalay. Next question is, the maximum and minimum temperatures of 5 cities are given in degree Celsius. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. The data represent the cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur and Kapurthala. And the temperatures are maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Now let's start with drawing the joint bar graph. First, we will draw x-axis and y-axis, and the point of intersection is O. On y-axis, we will represent the temperature with the scale 1 centimeter is equals to 10 degrees Celsius. On x-axis, we will represent cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur, Kapurthala. Now, we will represent the data of Delhi with maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum is 35 degree, minimum 26 degree. Temperature of Mumbai, maximum 32, minimum 25. Temperature of Kolkata, maximum 37, minimum 26. Temperature of Nagpur, maximum 41, minimum 29. Temperature of Kapurthala, maximum 37, minimum 26. We have this joint bar graph showing the cities with their maximum and minimum temperature. Now, next question. The percentage of literate people in the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat are given below. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. The data is given with the years 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011. States Maharashtra and Gujarat. Now, using this data, we will draw a joint bar graph. First step, we will draw x-axis and y-axis with the point of intersection as O. On x-axis, we will represent the years with 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011. Now we have to represent the number of literate people on y-axis with the scale 1 centimeter is equals to 10 literate peoples. So now, first 1971, Maharashtra 46, Gujarat 40. Next 1981, Maharashtra 57, Gujarat 45. Next 1991, Maharashtra 65 and Gujarat 61. 2001, Maharashtra 77, Gujarat 69. 2011, Maharashtra 83, Gujarat 79. So here we have a joint bar graph showing the percentage of literate people in the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat.